Realme just launched a couple of phones yesterday, the Realme 8S and the Realme 8i. Now I'm going to be unboxing both of them in today's video. Let's see what Realme has in store for us with these new launches. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 eTech and let's get started. First, let's start with the Realme 8i. Let's cut through that plastic and get that off the box. Next, the 8S. I'm just going to repeat the same thing here. Once we are done slicing through the seals, let's take a quick look at the highlights to the back of each box. Both phones are powered by MediaTek processors, and here's the weird part. The more powerful 8S has a 90Hz refresh compared to the 8i, which has 120. Anyway, let's get to that in a bit. For now, let's open up the boxes. The 8S first, followed by the 8i. We have similar looking cardboard inserts with both welcoming you to the Realme family. With the 8i, we get a SIM tool, a case, and information booklets. With the 8S, we just get the case and literature. It's now time to get the phones out of their respective boxes. Once again, let's start with the 8i first. Let's remove the protective plastic, peel off the sticker to the back. I love how this one looks. This is the space purple variant. The back is pretty reflective and catches light quite nicely. Additionally, Realme also offers a space black variant. Now, despite packing in a 5000 mAh battery, Realme has kept the weight quite reasonable at 194 grams. Now, this is the Realme 8S, and let's take it out of its plastic cover as well. Again, peel the sticker off the back. This time around, Realme's got a matte finish going on. This is Universe Blue. The alternate is Universe Purple. Once again, it's a 5000 mAh battery on the inside. The weight's kept around 190 grams, so it feels nice in hand despite the plastic. Now, between these two, which one do you guys think looks better? To me, I'd say the 8i looks better, but you know, the matte finish feels a lot nicer in hand. It also picks up way fewer fingerprints, so I'd say this is more functional. Now, returning back to the boxes, we get a USB Type-C to Type-A cable with both these phones. And for the 8S, remember how we didn't have a SIM tool in that little cardboard insert? That's provided right here below the cable. Both phones get chargers in the box, which is a huge positive these days. 18 watts for the 8i, 33 watts for the 8S. So okay, that's pretty much it for the unboxing part. Let's now have a quick rundown on what either phone has to offer. Let's start with the prices. The 8i, it's the cheaper option. It starts at 13,999 for the base 464 variant, while the 8s starts at 17,999, but the base is also higher, 6,128. With the display, weirdly enough, the less expensive 8i has a slightly larger 6.6-inch panel compared to 6.5 on the 8s. Now, that's not the big difference. The big difference is what I mentioned earlier. The 8i has a 120Hz refresh screen compared to 90Hz on the 8s. I don't understand this. Why lower refresh with a more powerful, more expensive phone? It makes no sense to me. If you guys have an explanation, let me know in the comments below. Now, talking about power, the 8i sports the 12nm MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, while the 8s sports the newer 5G supporting MediaTek Dimensity 810, and we get quite a few 5G bands. Okay, now we've seen the differences. It's now time to take a look at some of the similarities. With both phones, we get the power key to the right, volume keys to the left, along with a triple card tray. So dedicated micro SD support is present. And it's not just that, we also have dedicated, or rather, headphone jack support, which is something that's been lacking on a lot of phones these days. It's present at the bottom, along with the primary microphone, Type-C port, and speakers. The fingerprint scanner is built into the power button since both panels are LCD. It seems fast. The face unlock too, we have the same 16 megapixel f2.1 selfie camera, which is present inside this punch hole to the top left. It seems to be quite snappy. To the back, we get triple camera setups on both these phones. The second and third sensors are also shared. A couple of 2 megapixel macro and black and white sensors for depth to make up the numbers. But the primary, it's a 50 megapixel sensor on the 8i, 64 megapixels on the 8s, both paired with f1.8 lenses. Here are some more samples shot with these cameras. What do you guys think about them? The software seems pretty identical. It's Realme UI 2.0 built on top of Android 11. There's a fair bit of bloat on both, so some cleanup needs to be done. So there you go. That's a quick unboxing and first look at the Realme 8i and the 8s. If I were to review one of these, which one would you prefer me to? Let me know again in the comments and I will try to get a review out. Also, what do you guys think about these prices? Do you feel they are competitive? Do you feel Realme should have done something better? And beat it up, like the video, hate the video, thumbs up, thumbs down based on that. Subscribe, turn on notifications, hit that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.